Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the FabFitFun box for the winter season. They have changed their boxes a little bit. I know they're trying to make them more sustainable. I don't know what the right word is. But the design of this box makes me want, or is not as reusable as the other boxes. Like, yeah. That made a lot of sense. Here is the pamphlet. It has Katie Couric on the front. Okay, the first thing in here is a sticker. There's also a Kind Thins dark chocolate nuts and sea salt bar. It's 90 calories. It's 90 calories because it's so small. Okay. Next in here, I see some scrunchies. I do use scrunchies quite often. I'm glad scrunchies have made a comeback, but they're more fashionable than they used to be. Your typical leopard, kind of a pinky rose goldy leopard, and a more gray toned leopard. They're not too tight on the wrist. Cool. Scrunchie, 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 scrunchie. Are $25. Nior jewelry, ombre, leopard scrunchies. Another choice, 7A, was Daily Concepts facial dry brush. Oh, it was like this big. I saw one. I kind of wanted one after I saw some videos. Okay, here's some free stuff. I don't know what slips by as tea lovers. Wine Club, HBO Max. That's a 14 free day trial. $15 off your first FabFitFun box. Is this for... Oh, pass this along to a friend. Hi, friend. If anybody's watching this, the code is A2-LO3UI. You want to use that? Go for it. If you're the first one watching this video, lucky you. Also, a 9 free meal from HelloFresh. I would really like to do this, but I'm afraid that it's stupid expensive. These are these little Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars blemish patches. 40 patches. I feel like this would have been an okay bonus item, but not as one of our items. I don't know if it's just because it's so lacking. I don't want to be mean. Okay, that is a 6B option. Those are $18. I'd never buy those. Another thing was a belt crock card case from Belo. That's not big enough to hold all my cards. And Wish lip scrub and vanilla bean. I have a lot of lip scrubs. Okay, next in here is from Tula, and this is Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I have this in the blue container, which I don't know what the difference is. So this one is pink. Ooh, it is cooling. And maybe you can kind of see where it is. Why does it smell like popcorn? Oh, but it is very cooling. I think my other one's cooling too. I just don't rub it on the back of my hand, so. Okay, Tula. 4B. That's $30. Why am I not tallying all this up right now? Oh well. Another option was the Kate Spade New York workout socks. I got plenty of socks and I don't work out often. Muck Lux cabin socks. Another socks. How many socks do these places think we need? Dior hair cream Rhythm of Rain. I really don't do much with my hair, so. And Flight Mode skincare high altitude hydration mask. I have a lot of masks. So there we are. Next thing in here is a bag from Vera Bradley. I've never had a Vera Bradley bag. This is my first one. However, did I need a bag? Negative. Oh, it has like a... Is this supposed to be like a makeup bag? Or just a bag of your pleasing? Let's see. 1A. It's just a compact organizer. $50? It is very soft. It looks a lot like my Ipsy Ultimate, last Ipsy Ultimate bag, except this one's not leaving fuzz everywhere. Another option was the Unhide little marshmallow blanket. I wish I would have added that. I regretted it, not adding it. Champagne flutes. I don't drink champagne, but They are cute, but I don't need any cups or glasses right now. Summer and Rose Cozy Robe. I already have 5 robes. Tea Seed Elixir. I got a lot of face products, so I thought, why not go with Vera Bradley? You never had anything from Vera Bradley that you can remember. Okay, next is a makeup item. Whoops. From Laura Geller. It is Cinnamon and Spice palette. I bet it's a lot of neutral shades. I was right. I mean, you can't go wrong with the neutral shades, natural shades. I wish that a couple of these were a little bit darker, but maybe you can do some darkness with the shimmer shades. But I am interested to try this. I've had a few Laura Geller products, and they've been just fine. Can't say I have too many. Laura 3B. That is a $45 palette. I wonder how much it is at TJ Maxx. There's also the Dr. Brandt Skincare Pores No More Pore Purifying Cleanser. I don't know if I've used that one. Have I? Maybe. I don't know. And then Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. I like trying Ilia stuff, but I didn't need another mascara. Okay, next thing in here is from Phase Zero Making Moves Blusher. This is pretty. Wait, was there another 3 option? Oh, on the eyeshadow, there was also Dr. Brandt Skincare Pro Pore Dermabrasion. I got 2 of those in my Ipsies last month. I was supposed to get a nope, not it. I was supposed to get a Tarte Shape Tape powder, and they never responded to me. So, yeah. This kind of has like a sheen to it. Oh, and the other thing was a headband. I had to see, it's like one of those headbands with like a knot on the top. I have a picture of myself from Thanksgiving from one I found at Five Below. I think it was $3.25. That knot cannot be too big. Can't not to be too big, because otherwise it just, my hair is not thick enough to not look weird. Okay, Phase Zero blush. I know that was just all over the place. This is a $27.50 blusher. Okay. The other things was a London Town Get Well Nail Recovery, Aesthetica liquid eyeliner. Did not need liquid eyeliner, but I do like Aesthetica. No, wait, what else have we got in here? 2 more things? Is that it? It feels like it's gone by so fast. Next in here was from DP Hue, maybe? This is an apple cider vinegar dry shampoo powder. I'm excited to try this. I've never tried a dry shampoo powder. I think it'd be nice, like the day after I shower and I don't have time to curl my hair, just putting a little bit of this in my hair to keep my, like, whenever I don't curl my hair after I shower and my very fine straight hair, it just like lays on my head and soaks up oils. I think it'd be nice to put a little bit of this in my clean hair just to get it lifted up off of my head. And this is $24, so this will be the only time I ever have it unless it comes in another box or it's on a sale. But I'm currently on a no buy. That's been real hard during this Christmas season and sale season. Another thing was a cutting board set. Don't need those. Botanique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gel. Okay, and the last thing in here I'm actually excited about is this Impressions Vanity Compact Touch Highlight LED Makeup Mirror, High Definition Distortion Free Makeup Mirror, Soft Touch Sensor Dimmer Switch, Long Lasting Daylight LED Lights, Dual Power Source. Eventually, whenever I hopefully get kind of like a recording area set up in my basement, I'll have this downstairs at like full time and use it for recording. So excited about that. I really wanted those like mirrors that have like the you can play videos and stuff on it. Necessary? No, but I wanted one. Okay, and the mirror is $45. The other options was a Lucky Brand Solid Brush Scarf, Algenist Complete Eye Renewal Balm, Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. I think I just got that, or I got the eye cream or something. I have that. Caudalie Vinosource Moisturizing Sorbet, and the Lily Pulitzer ceramic mugs. If they would have been $10, I would have got the mugs, but I think they were a $15 add-on, and I was like, I just can't warrant it. Did I not go through all the one things? On the Vera Bradley bag, you could have also got the Kate Spade earring set and the Mobile White Advanced Teeth Whitening Kit. I was almost going to get that, but I am so worried that these light things are going to hurt my teeth. So, there we are. Let me go through here and figure out how much my box is worth. Okay, my box is worth $264.50. I will say I did look at this box before I filmed this video, and just my first impressions, I was kind of like, blah, like this box didn't overly thrill me too much. Now that I've opened it, I'm a little bit more excited for it. I can't say I'm ecstatic with this box. Like maybe once the house is finished remodel and I can put things out a little bit more, maybe I'll be a little bit more excited for it or be able to use some of these things. I don't know. Maybe if just there was better options for this, because even the Croc card case and the Wish lip scrub were also not deal makers for me. So there we are. I hope you enjoyed this video of the winter unboxing of my FabFitFun box. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm hoping to have 30 subscribers by the end of the month. That means just one of you, one lucky person could be my 30th subscriber, and I'd really appreciate it. Help me make my goal. It's a very small goal, but that's what I have to do right now. So thank you for watching this video. Bye!